Here I'm going to show you how to make the spider stitch, which is a lovely textured stitch that works up very simply, is very, very easy to memorize how to do, and creates a nice, even, and slightly squishy texture. To make the spider stitch, I'm going to start with an odd number of stitches. I'm going to chain 15, and that's going to create a good width for you to practice this stitch with. For the first row, you're going to skip the first chain, and in the second chain from the hook, single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet again into the same stitch. Go ahead and repeat this in every other chain. So skip a chain and repeat that into the next stitch after that. So in this chain right here, I'm going to single crochet, chain 1, and single crochet. And now you're going to want to repeat this down your entire row until you only have 2 stitches left. Okay, and now for the very last couple of stitches, go ahead and skip the second to last stitch and put a double crochet right into the end of your row. Now chain 1 and turn. Now this pattern becomes extremely easy because all you're going to do is work into your chain spaces. It may be a little bit difficult to see, so you may want to go back to the side you were just working on, but once you find your chain spaces on one side, it should be easy to find them on the other side. And once you find your chain space, your first chain space, go ahead and repeat the same pattern as before. Single crochet, chain, and single crochet. Continue to work into the chain spaces with this same repeat all the way across the row. And when you're done, you're simply going to chain 1, turn, and repeat that same row again. So this is row 2, and this is the row that you can repeat as many times as you like. Okay, that's working into the last chain space on the row, and I don't mind at all how the edge works out with this pattern. I think it looks just fine. However, you could, in your work, whatever you're making with this stitch, you could add a stitch and end with just a single crochet. That would be just fine, but it is just so supremely easy to work it this way that I just like to end after one repeat, and then again we chain 1, we turn, and we're going to repeat row 2 as many times as you like. So just repeating single crochet, chain 1, single crochet again into the chain spaces all the way across your row, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like once I've got a nice swatch. Here is the spider stitch with 8 rows finished. You can see it has a nice denser texture, and it is fully reversible. So I really like this stitch for garments, accessories, really whatever you want a simple repeat for. And it's become one of my favorite stitches, I think. So here, it's a really good up close at that. And it's very easy to do too. That's our swatch. And here is a headband done in the spider stitch. A nice twist headband. So there's another example for you.